Hi, Kevin Murphy here. I wanted to tell you why I decided to make bedroom hair. Bedroom hair is a transforming product, so it makes it possible to instantly transform your hair. Apply it to dry or post-styled hair as a finishing product. So you've heard the phrase, I woke up like this, but guess what? No one actually does wake up like that. But now with bedroom hair, you can get that soft, sensuous look without having to go for a roll in the hay. We use camellia leaf extracts to help enhance condition and add elasticity. The finish is a soft satin finish. It's not too shiny and it's not too matte. Sunflower seed extracts rich in emollients offer protection from the elements, and ginger root extracts provide strength and light conditioning benefits. So here are the final results for the bedroom hair. It's not fussy or fixed, it's for perfectly imperfect hair that's touchable and soft.